everyone, welcome to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to automate wedding planner consultation via WhatsApp. So I run a wedding planning service and want my clients to schedule consultation, discuss packages and schedule appointments via WhatsApp automatically. So for that we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. So firstly in this video we are going to build a WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if a user will send a message, an automatic reply will be sent to them. So if you also want to build this automation or this chatbot, then let me take you towards my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video I am going to show you how you can automate wedding planner consultation via WhatsApp. So right before you on my screen you can see this is the flow I have created for creating the chatbot, and this chatbot is going to respond to your customer queries 24/7 and they can book consultation for the wedding planner anytime and anywhere. So now I am going to show you how you can create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow. So now firstly let's move on to my WhatsApp for testing this WhatsApp chatbot. So here you can see I have already opened my WhatsApp and now I am going to send a message to the number which I have already connected to my Pabbly Chatflow account, and here this number is saved as my test number. So here I am going to enter this message, that is I need to book a consultation for wedding planning, and as I have entered this message I am getting a welcome message which says hi, welcome to DreamWeds Wedding Planner, how can I assist you today? And here we are getting a button that is view packages. So now I am going to select it, and as I have selected this button I am getting a message which consists of the list of the packages. So now let's open this list and see the wedding packages. So here you can see I'm getting 3 packages. So now I'm going to select this first package, that is basic. So as I have selected this first package, I'm getting a message which contains the details of this package with its pricing, and afterwards we are getting 2 buttons, that is book consultation and back. So now firstly I'm going to select this button, that is back, and as I have selected it, again I'm getting the list of the wedding packages. So now let's open this list and select our another package. So here I am going to select this third package, that is luxury, and as I have selected this package, again I am getting a message consisting of the details of this package, and here I am going to select this first button, that is book consultation, and as I have selected this button I am getting a message which says great choice, please select your preferred date for consultation. So now I am going to enter my preferred date. So here I am going to enter this date, and as I have provided the date I am getting a message which is asking me to enter my full name. So now I am going to enter my full name as testing user, and as I have provided my full name I am getting a message which is asking me to enter the wedding location. So now I am going to enter the wedding location as Bhopal, and as I have provided the wedding location I am getting a thank you message which says thank you testing user, your consultation request has been received, our planner will confirm your booking shortly. So here you can see I am getting the same name which I have recently entered over my WhatsApp chatbot. So this means our chatbot is providing personalized message. So you can also send personalized message like this to your clients for enhancing their experience. So you can also create this chatbot by just using Pabbly Chatflow, and for accessing the Pabbly Chatflow you just have to type its URL over the new tab, that is pabbly.com/chatflow, and once you will enter the URL you will be getting the landing page of Pabbly, and here you can see we are getting 2 options, that is sign in and sign up free. So if you are a new user you can simply click over the sign up free, and if you sign up your account for free over the Pabbly Chatflow you get 100 free credits every month for practicing the chatbot. And if you already have an existing account you can simply click over the sign in. But before moving on forward I am going to tell you about Pabbly community. So here you can see this is the page of Pabbly community where automation users, marketers and business owner gather to share their ideas, ask questions and get relevant update regarding using the Pabbly applications. So you can also join Pabbly community now and grow your business with us, and if you wish to join the Pabbly community you can find link in the description given below. Now let's move on to the Pabbly Chatflow again, and here I am going to simply click over this sign in as I already have an account on Pabbly Chatflow. And once you finish your sign up you will be getting this all Pabbly apps page, and here you can see we are getting the products provided by Pabbly. You can access any of these products, and as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we have to access this Pabbly Chatflow. So now let's click over this access now button and we will be landed to the dashboard page of Pabbly Chatflow. Chatflow, which can be seen here. And here on this dashboard page, you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account. So you can also add your WhatsApp number by just clicking on this add WhatsApp number button. And here you can see we are getting two options, that is WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. So if you want to integrate your WhatsApp number, you can simply click over this WhatsApp Connect, and if you want to connect with token number, you can simply click over this Manual Token Connect. So if you want to learn more about this process of adding WhatsApp number to the Pabbly Chatflow account, you can find video link in the description given below. Now moving on to the sidebar, you can see these are the features provided by Pabbly. And as we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot, for that we firstly have to create a flow. So for that you simply have to click over the flows given on the sidebar, and if you want to learn more about these features, you can find video link in the description given below. Now let's click over this flows given here, and as you will click over the flows, you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see these are the flows created by me. So you can also create your own flow. So for that you simply have to click over this add flow button, and you will be landed to the flow page where you can see we are getting the option for entering the flow names. So now let's provide a name to our flow here. So here I have provided it the name Automate Wedding Planner Consultation via WhatsApp, and afterwards we are getting the option for triggers. So trigger is basically the action which is going to initiate our chatbot, and on this trigger we are getting many trigger events such as keyword rejects match, user starts conversation, template selected, and many more. But here I am going to keep it as the same, that is keyword rejects match. Now you might be wondering what is this keyword and reject. So keywords are the words which initiate your chatbot. Now let's say I want to initiate my chatbot as soon as someone enters a message consisting of this word, that is wedding. So for that you just have to make this word as your keyword. So you just have to type it and press the enter key, and here our one keyword is ready. Now as soon as someone will enter a message consisting of this word wedding, our chatbot will be initiated. Now I am going to add one more keyword, that is planner. So here I have typed it and pressed the enter key, and here our another keyword is also ready. And afterwards we are getting the option for regex. So regex is basically the short form for the regular expression. These are used for the specific user input, and if you want to trigger any message, you can enter regex like this. And now as we are done with our trigger, I am going to send a welcome message to my client. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for text button. So by selecting text button, you will be getting this message node where you can enter the message which you want to send to your customers or the clients. So here I am going to enter a welcome message for my clients. So here you can see I have entered this welcome message which says, hi, welcome to Dream Weds Wedding Planner, between these asterisk signs to make it bold. And afterwards I am going to add some buttons to this message. So for that you simply have to click over this add button, and here you have to enter the text of your first button. So now let's enter the text and create our button here. So here you can see I have created my button, that is view packages. Now as soon as someone select this button, I am going to provide them list of the packages. So for that you simply have to drag and drop, and here you can see we are getting the option for list. So you just have to select it, and you will be getting this list node where you can create your own list. And in this list node, it is asking me to enter header, body, and footer for the list. So now I am going to provide a body to my list here. So here you can see I have provided this body to my list. Now I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you firstly have to create a section. So you just have to click over this add section, and here you have to provide the section title. So now I am going to provide my section title as packages. So here I have provided it, and afterwards I am going to add some items to this list. So for that you simply have to click over this add items, and here you have to enter the title of your first item. So the first item I have created is basic. Now I am going to add some more items to this list likewise. So for that you simply have to click over this add items again and enter the title of your another items. So here you can see I have added two more items to my list, that is premium and luxury. Now as my user selects any of these packages, I want to save that response, and for saving the response we have to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So you just have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for set custom field. So now let's drag it, and as I have dragged it, I am getting this contact custom field node, and contact custom field help us to store extra information about our clients. So here I am going to provide contact custom field to all these list items. So here you can see it is asking me to select the contact custom field. So here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. You can also create your own contact custom custom field, for that you simply have to go to settings, and here you can see we are getting the option for contact custom fields. So you just have to select it and you will be landed to the contact custom fields page, which I have already opened. And here you can see these are the contact custom fields created by me. And if you want to create your own contact custom field, you simply have to click over this add more field button, and here you have to provide the field name, and afterwards you simply have to click over the save button and your contact custom field will be created. And as I have already created my contact custom field, I will be selecting it over here, and here I am going to select my contact custom field, that is package, which can be seen here. And afterwards here you have to enter the value for which you are creating this contact custom field. So here I am creating this contact custom field for this first list item, that is basic. So here I have entered my value as basic. So here we have created the contact custom field for the first item. Now I am going to do the same for rest of these items of the list. So here you can see I have provided contact custom field to another item, that is premium and luxury. So here you can see we are done with the contact custom field. Now as soon as someone select any of these list items, I am going to provide them details of these packages. Now for providing the details of this basic package, we just have to drag and drop, and here I am going to select this text button, and in this message note I am going to provide the details of this first package. So here you can see in this message note I have provided the details of this package. Now I am going to add some buttons to this message. So for that you simply have to click over this add button, and here you have to enter the text of your button. So I am going to create two buttons in this message note. So here you can see I have created two buttons, that is book consultation and back. Now I am going to do the same for all these remaining list items. So here you can see I have provided details of another package, that is premium and luxury, and I have created two buttons, that is book consultation and back, for all these message notes. Now as soon as my user select this first button, that is book consultation, I am going to ask them some questions. But if my user select this back button, I am going to redirect them to the list which I have created for packages. So now I am going to do the same for all these remaining items, that is I am going to connect this back button with this list node. So as my user selects any of these back button, they will be redirected to this list of the packages so that they can choose another package according to their needs. So here we are done with our second button, that is back. Now let's enhance our first button, that is book consultation. So for booking the consultation, I am going to ask some questions from my customers or the clients. So for that you simply have to go to actions, and here you can see we are getting the option for ask questions. So you just have to select it or drag it, and you will be getting this question node where you can enter the question which you want to ask from your clients. So here I am going to enter a question asking for the preferred date for the consultation. So now let's enter the question, but before that I am going to connect all these book consultation button with this question node so that my user can be redirected to this question node as soon as they select any of these book consultation buttons. So now I am going to enter my question over here. So here you can see I have entered a question asking for the preferred date, and afterwards I am going to select my contact custom field as date, which can be seen here, and afterwards I am going to select my format as date. And as I have selected my format as date, it is asking me to enter the number. So here it's basically asking me to enter the number of attempt I want to provide to my customers, and after that we can enter the validation message also. So here I am done with my first question. Now likewise I am going to ask some more questions from my clients. So here you can see I have entered this another question asking for the full name, where I am going to select my contact custom field as full name, which can be seen here, and here I am going to select my format as any. And the next question I have entered where I am asking for the wedding location, where I have selected my contact custom field as location and the format as any. So here we are done with our all questions. Now as soon as my user provides me answer of all these questions, I am going to provide them a thank you or the confirmation message. So for that you simply have to drag and drop and select text button over here. So here you can see I have entered this thank you message which says thank you $full name. So $full name is the contact custom field which we have selected over this question where I'm asking for the full name. Now as soon as my user will provide me the full name, the answer will be replaced in this message node and we will be able to send personalized message to our clients. So here you can see we have successfully created our flow for creating the chatbot. Now we just have to save this flow. So for that you simply have to click over the save button and here you can see see we are receiving this pop-up which says flow updated successfully, means we have successfully saved our flow. Now for showing you how we are receiving message from our customers and how we are sending them the automated reply, let me take you towards my inbox section. For that you simply have to click over the inbox given on the sidebar, and as you will click over the inbox you will be landed to the inbox page, and here you can see these are the numbers I have connected to my account, and on this particular number you can see I am successfully receiving message from my client and our automated replies are successfully sent or delivered to them. And one point has to be noticed that this is following the path which we have created through our flow, means if a user sends us a message we are going to send them a welcome message with this button, and if my user select this first button we are going to provide them wedding packages list. So here you can see our chatbot is working properly. So you can also create an amazing chatbot like this for enhancing your own business, and if you want to practice this flow you can find its link in the description given below, and you can also share the link of the flow which you have created. So for that you simply have to go to flows and you will be landed to the flow builder page, and here you can see this is the flow which I have recently created. So you just have to select these three dots, and here you can see we are getting the option for share flow. So you just have to select it and you will be getting your flow link. So you can share this flow link to your friends so that they can also know about this amazing tool that is Pabbly Chatflow, and they can also automate their all tasks. So what are you waiting for? Start using Pabbly Chatflow now and stay tuned to our YouTube channel for learning more about Pabbly and creating many more amazing automations and chatbots like this. And if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So thank you for watching this video. So you can create many more chatbots like this by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubt you can mail us at support@pabbly.com, and if you have any queries you can write it on forums.pabbly.com. But if you have any pricing related issue then you can visit the URL given over here. So start using Pabbly Chatflow for free now.